Environment Day. The World Environment Day was established on 1972 by United Nations, and the celebration of the day was started from 5th June of 1974 with the theme Only One Earth. This day is celebrated for awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crimes. Over 143 countries participate and celebrate this day each year. Each year, the day provides a theme to all countries for proclamation of environmental aspects. The theme for World Environment Day of 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. An ecosystem is built with a community of living and non-living things that work together. It consists of biotic and abiotic parts. The major parts of an ecosystem are water, air, soil, sunlight, plant, and animals. This year, the United Nations Decades for the Restoration of the Ecosystem will begin. Ecosystem restoration can take many forms such as growing trees, green cities, rebuilding gardens, changing diet, or cleaning river and coast. We are the generation that can establish peace. Ecosystem restoration means helping to restore ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as the intact ecosystem also. The goal is to build a healthy ecosystem with rich biodiversity, more fertile soil, greater yields of timber and fish. Recovery can occur in a variety of ways. For example, by actively planting or by removing pollution stressness so that nature can recover on its own. Returning an ecosystem to its original state is not so easy or desirable. So we need to concentrate in plantation and reducing the pollution rate. Initiative can be taken by anyone to restore the ecosystem, including forest, farmland, city, wetland, and oceans. We should aim to halt the degradation of the nature and restore them. Only with healthy ecosystem we can enhance people's livelihood, counteract climate change, and stop the collapse of biodiversity. According to scientists, these 10 years, 2021 to 2030, is the deadline period to prevent catastrophic climate change. So we have to focus on more plantation, developing land for farming, clean water bodies, waste management, recycling of waste, proper use of energies, less using of plastic materials, less use of papers, stop wastage of drinking water, stop polluting water bodies, stop smoking, and stop all the unwanted activities that pollute our nature. It's not responsibility of our government only. We all have to participate in this activity to match the goal, because our nature needs us to make it heal so that our future generation may live a better life in this beautiful earth. Thanks for being with us and supporting us.